Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new video from Learn Arabic with Hamid. So we are walking on the street and you want to conduct a conversation in Egyptian Arabic. Is this something difficult? No, at all. It's not difficult. It's very easy. You need to know some phrases, and in this video we will show 10 phrases that are very important in Egyptian Arabic where you can rely on for making any conversation. So make sure to watch along and let's start. Before we start the phrases for the conversation, it's very important to know that Egyptian Arabic is one of the most widely used dialects in the Arab region. Thanks to the media along the 20th century, most of the Arabic countries find no difficulty understanding Egyptians. So we have really luck when we talk in Egyptian, because people from all over the Arabic region, from Morocco, from Emirates, from Sudan, from Saudi Arabia, from Syria, from Lebanon, from many countries, they find our dialect really easy, and they watch our movies, and this is something really great. So if you want to learn the Egyptian dialect, I am sure it can be quite tricky at the beginning, but make sure that you watch along this channel and also see in YouTube many resources for the Egyptian dialect, and also take care that you learn the Egyptian dialect by hearing a lot, and also know that there's no systematic way to learn any dialect. It's not structured as the modern standard Arabic, for example, so you need to rely on your ear and see or hear what people are saying. This is the most important thing, not only for the Egyptian dialect, but to learn any dialect or any Arabic dialect. So let's now move to the phrases, and we will start by the first phrase, which is exactly as you may have guessed. The first phrase is hello. Hello. In Egyptian, when we say hello, we say ahlan wa sahlan, and we say salamu alaikum. Yes, salamu alaikum. It's a version of salamu alaikum in modern standard Arabic, but we just tweak it a bit or have a slightly different pronunciation. Salamu alaikum, salamu alaikum, or salamu alaikum, salamu alaikum, or salamu alaikum. So salamu alaikum or ahlan wa sahlan, this is the dialect greeting for marhaban or assalamu alaikum or standard Arabic. Salamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan. The second phrase, good morning, is very near to the modern standard Arabic. We say sabah al khair. Sabah al khair. It's like sabah al khair in modern standard Arabic. It's sabah al khair. And the third phrase is masa al khair. It's like masa al khair, but we say masa al khair. Masa al khair. Masa al khair. Fourth phrase is how are you? And we say in Egyptian ازيك. ازيك. So it's totally different than كيف حالك for modern standard Arabic. It's ازيك. 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 And this is if we are talking to a male. If we are talking to a female, we say ازيك. ازيك. So ازيك for male, ازيك for female. Phrase number 5. If we want to say yes, we say أيوة. أيوة. We don't say نعم in modern standard Arabic. It's أيوة. أيوة. And if we want the phrase 6, if we want to say no, we say لأ or لأ. لأ or لأ. So both are correct. لأ. أيوة. لأ. So tell me, how are you doing so far? Is the Egyptian dialect difficult for you or easy? Can you move along? Can you get along with the phrases? Tell me in the comment section below and ask me questions. I'm very happy to answer you. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like if you didn't do by now. Now let's go and continue our phrases. So phrase number 7. If you want to know the country of origin, so you ask somebody, where are you from? So you say in Egyptian Arabic, بلدك إيه؟ بلدك إيه؟ جنسيتك إيه؟ Okay, so جنسية from the Arabic or the modern standard Arabic, جنسية is nationality. Okay, it's nationality, citizenship. Okay, so جنسيتك إيه؟ جنسيتك, your citizenship or your nationality, or بلدك, your country. Okay, so جنسيتك إيه؟ بلدك ايه. This means what where are you from. Okay, جنسيتك ايه. and he will reply, I am from أنا من, and he says he will say the country, okay, of origin. So جنسيتك ايه؟ بلدك ايه؟ Phrase number 8, what's your name? ما اسمك. This is modern standard Arabic, but in Egyptian we say اسمك ايه. اسمك ايه. Instead of ما اسمك, we say اسمك at the beginning and then say ايه, which is what. ما اسمك, so اسمك ايه. اسمك ايه. What's your name? اسمك ايه. Phrase number 9, please. We say من فضلك. Yes, it's very similar to من فضلك in modern standard Arabic, but just من فضلك. من فضلك. Very similar, just a slight tweak in the pronunciation. من فضلك. من فضلك. Phrase number 10 is thank you, which is شكرا. Exactly the same phrase as in modern standard Arabic. شكرا. So after learning the phrases with me, so can you move along if I say السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا. إزيك؟ إزيك؟ اسمك إيه؟ اسمك إيه؟ جنسيتك إيه؟ جنسيتك إيه؟ شكرا. شكرا. سلام عليكم. سلام عليكم. So as a summary, I can tell you that learning dialects is not difficult, and if you learn some basics in modern standard Arabic, it will be a good foundation for you. After all, there are some words that you will find similar in both. For example, shukran, thank you. You will find it in modern standard Arabic and you'll find in the Egyptian dialect exactly the same word. And for other dialects in Arabic, you will have some words that are similar to modern standard Arabic. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope that you got benefit and now you can understand some of the Egyptian and you can build your knowledge with Egyptian Arabic. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel and comment, and also don't forget to download my free guide and see the resources below.